Here is a Honda Accord. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there's a primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle right on top of the Honda emblem. Put your hand over there and then pull it up. Just like this. That's where your hand goes. Now lift up the hood, and this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place. So grab the rod and put it right over there in that slot. Now let it go and the hood is secure. Let's start with the driver's side. That's the bulb right over there. And the way to access it is from over there. All you have to do is get your hand inside there and then grab the bulb holder and twist it left a little bit to loosen it. And it may help to have a flathead screwdriver because sometimes the bulb holder is going to be tight. Let me just get it out and I'll show you exactly where I'm pushing on. So get the screwdriver and push over there, right over there, to twist it left. Or you can just grab it with your hand and twist it left to loosen it just a little bit, and then you'll be able to get it out. To get the bulb out of the bulb holder, just push it down and twist it left, and out it comes. The bulb size is 2357A. A is for the amber color. Check the link in the description to buy the new bulb from Amazon for yourself. Let's go ahead, get the new bulb and put it back in the bulb holder. If you're not able to push it down, just wait, take it out, turn it around, and now you should be able to push it down. So push it down, twist to your right, let it go. Now let's go ahead and put this back in the light, and you have to coordinate your hand-eye movements while you're looking at the light from outside while you're trying to put the bulb holder back in from the back. And when it's in place, it should look like that, just sitting flush. See, it's a simple process. I can get my hand in there and then get it in. Once it's in place, just twist to your right to lock it till it's not moving. Just keep on twisting it till it locks and doesn't move, and that's good. Moving on now to the passenger side, exact same process, no differences whatsoever. That's the bulb right there, and that's the bulb holder. Just grab it and twist left to loosen it, and now it's loose and you should be able to get it out. It's the exact same process, same bulb, 2357A. Let's just go ahead and put it back in. And again, as you can see, I have enough space to get my hand in there, but again I have to coordinate my hand-eye movement. While I'm putting the bulb holder from back here, I have to look from the outside. Once it's sitting in flush, just twist your right to lock it, and that is good. Now let's just go ahead and try this out. Turn the four-way flashes on. Let's check this. The driver's side is working good, and so is the passenger side, and that is good. To close the hood, first push on it, get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place, and then push it down to secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.